All right, so I wanted to show you the Conversations tab. This is where all the magic happens. So this is where if you get a call, if you get a text, it's going to appear. And to get there, you just click this button here. But you'll see all your customers' data on the right. I had to blur it out because my video kept getting taken down because it has all their personal info. But yeah, you'll see your responses here. You'll see their responses on the left-hand side. To type new messages, you would go ahead, you would type here. I'm going to click templates. You could click here, and this just has all the pre-made ones ready to go. So in this one, they said they do want an offer. So I'm always trying to get on a call with them as quickly as possible. So I would go ahead and pick the call button, transition them to a call, hit use template. So next step, you hop on a quick call, learn more about property and give you an offer. Do you have me up on a call now? I would hit send. It's really that easy. And if I wanted to call them, if they said yes, I just would go ahead and click that little phone button, and that's going to ring automatically. You can also make calls right through here as well. But yeah, it's this really helps stay organized. To go ahead and switch to the other people, you just click these buttons here. Also, it wouldn't be blurred for you. And you can go to your unread ones. These are the ones you haven't responded to. The recent ones are all the recent ones, and there's all of them, including all your outbound ones. But yeah, and if you want to see more of their info, you just would click this icon here, and that's going to pop up their screen where you'll see all their info, and you can add your notes. You can do opportunities and tags like we showed you in the other video.